guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to K-pop and curls. My name is Deandra, and today we are going to be looking at the Fluid Veil Cushion Foundation that I got for $5 at H&M. Y'all probably saw this nail, ignore that. Tried to do them last night and girl, like, anyway. So I got this for $5 when I was in Savannah, and it was on sale, and it's originally $17.99, if you guys can see that. Yeah, so I have never seen a cushion foundation for black people. Zip, nada, nothing for black people at all. Usually when you go into a Forever 21, H&M, Rue 21 and get their makeup, they typically cater to a lighter skin tone because that's just what the basic beauty market does. Stuff like CoverGirl, L'Oreal, they're known in the past to have lighter skin tones and a wider range for lighter skin tones and would never really care for black people. Things have changed. There's wider shade ranges now. There are like a lot of influencers working with these brands, trying to help out, trying to get something together because apparently big brands aren't really getting it. So I had went into H&M. I was pleasantly surprised that they had a cushion foundation for ebony skin, and it has it right here. I almost freaked out because it's such a big thing, especially with Kbeauty starting this cushion foundation. It's such a big jump to 3 years ago, 4 years ago, 5 years ago to now. Like, seeing so many shade ranges just makes me so happy because I feel like I will find my shade. And although I think ebony might be too dark, I did try this before. This isn't like an unboxing, but I just wanted to show you guys how it looked on my skin. So without further ado, I'm going to open this Fluid Veil Cushion Foundation, and it says that it's for buildable coverage and has a flawless finish. This is what the compact looks like. Make sure you guys can see that. It has H&M on it, very simple, cute. Well, I guess I'll turn it to the back. Here is the information on how long it typically lasts. This is like when it has a 12 here. You guys probably can see that. When there's a 12 on the jar, that means you can keep it for up to a year. I'm gonna blind you guys or show you my room. So there's a mirror here. Let me see. It's pretty nice. And here is the cushion itself. I already used it, so it already has foundation on it. Here's the holder it sits in. Open it. Here is the cushion. So yeah. Okay. So I have just washed my face, and I am going to prep my skin by putting some snail gel. I think I put this in another video. Maybe I mentioned it in a video, but I got this snail gel from my friend. She bought it for my birthday. Girl, you know who you are. I don't want to say your name in case you, well, you were in my video before. Ashley, I love you. Thank you for getting me this snail gel. This is the bomb. I'm gonna have to get more because I'm almost running out. Now this snail gel can be a little sticky. You guys are probably judging me so hard right now on my nails. I tried. I really did try to do them. It didn't work. Like, I guess I'm just not destined to do my own nails. I'm gonna have to just go to a place like I usually do because this isn't working. It's just not working. So now that my skin is looking beautiful and hydrated, I am going to now put a scarf over my weavis so it doesn't get foundation on it. Okay, so I moved the camera closer a little bit so you guys can see my skin better, but we're gonna go ahead and I think I'm going to prep my skin with the Smashbox primer. This primer, I have the Radiant primer, but I like this one because it feels like it's actually doing something. Oh wow. Okay, let me take my glasses back off. It really like fills in the pores. So usually with Korean foundations, it gives off a very sheer coverage, and I'm a very like medium to heavy coverage type of girl. I like it for myself. People are probably very different out there, but I was very happy to find that H&M carries this, and I get to try it for myself. And I think this product is from Korea. Let me check. Okay, so like everything, it is made in China and it was distributed in from New York. Take it and press the cushion in and just try and get product, and let's put it on my forehead. Okay, I see something right here. Hope and pray that it actually distributes well. Sorry if my camera just shook. I bumped it. Okay. Okay. It's kind of like a blurring effect, honestly. My sister, she picked one up as well, and when she used it, it truly looked like nothing. So what she did was add her actual foundation and just plopped it in there and put it on her skin, and she just made it work for herself. You know, what we do, if we buy something and it doesn't work, we repurpose it, or we make it work. We make it do what it do. So okay, that came out well. See if it covers that blemish well. I'm thinking if this is going to stay this sheer, if I can't build it like how the package says, I'm just going to use it as like a cute base. If you guys have like a lot of blemishes, this is just cute, I feel. Let me look into my mirror and see how it's looking through there. Light coverage. It's not really covering any dark spots, but it kind of mattifies. You guys can see, if you rewind, come back to this moment, my skin, or I'll put a side by side, my skin was very shiny. It mattifies the skin and kind of hides blemishes or discoloration, so that's great. I wouldn't say that this is like the end all and be all coverage finger. People make it look so cute. They go like dab dab dab, here, done, here, done, you know, but those are like the lucky people who do not have any blemishes at all. This is application 1 of the foundation. Like I said, it looks like I put something on. It's definitely mattifying and sheer. It's not full coverage. I can't believe I have these pimples here. I'm so upset about that. But as you guys can see, it's not full coverage. Is it a buildable formula? Let's do one more application and you guys can see if that really changes anything. That was the second application. I am going to be doing a wear test and seeing if it transfers and if it just stays on the skin, and it looks pretty good. It looks pretty matte. I'm going to be out for a couple of hours, so we will see what it looks like when it gets it gets back. We are going to see what it looks like when I get back. I am going to put some concealer, bronzer, the whole 9 on, so I'll be back. So this is the foundation. This is what it ended up looking like. I'm about to do a wear test, and yes, I added concealer, bronzer, and I didn't get to add highlighter, so sadly that didn't happen. But yeah, so that's what it looks like, guys. Let's see what it looks like at the end of the day. Here's how my foundation is looking throughout the day. I just got done helping like my old high school, and you guys probably noticed I got new glasses. But yeah, this is how it's looking. As you can see, I am breaking out horribly, guys, but yeah, so that's... Hey guys, so I am back from a long day. It is now 12 a.m. I've been out all day. This is a very sheer coverage foundation. Again, cushion foundations were started in like the Kbeauty area, the Kbeauty arena. So they're marketed towards women that just do kind of like touch-ups, or they want a sheer coverage. Even it's very pale as well. So I was just so shocked that they had my shade, and you know, I was really excited to try this, but to me, I think it would just be a cute touch-up.